Okay. Okay. Finally, good morning, everyone. Give me a second. Okay, let's start today's class. And today, guys, we need to learn about the formal and the informal communication. Arey yaar, what is this? And okay, so today, finally, we need to start the formal and informal communication. Guys, we are into the last part of this chapter. Okay, once we are done with the formal and informal, we need to go with the barriers of communication. So that will be the last. There are 4 kinds of barriers which we need to learn, and there are many sub points in that. Okay, so let's understand before that what is formal and what is informal communication, and we have types of formal and informal communication. So first thing, guys, let's understand what is formal. Formal communication is nothing but it's a flow through official channels. What is a flow? Communication, right? That flows through the official channels designed in an organization chart. I hope you people remember the organizing part where you people have studied the organization. There are functional and divisional, right? I hope you people remember functional and divisional charts, right? Through that, you're communicating the information, right? That is official channel, right? This communication may take place between a superior and a subordinate, or a subordinate and a superior, or among the same cadre employees or managers, right? यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है? What they mean is the communication that can take place between, formally it happens, guys. यहाँ पे चिट चैट नहीं करते, ठीक है? यहाँ पे बहुत फॉर्मली अगर कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बताना है, राइट, कुछ प्रोसीजर बताना है, कुछ टास्क बोलना है, नहीं तो कुछ लीव रिक्वेस्ट करना है, ओनली सच टॉक्स विल बी देयर व्हेन इट कम्स टू फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है? सो व्हाट हैपेंस हियर? सुपीरियर, द पर्सन हु इज इन द टॉप मोस्ट, he can have a conversation with the subordinate, the one who is next to him, or the person who is subordinate can talk to his superior or to their superiors, or the subordinates or the superiors among themselves, they can talk, right? Only formal, कुछ भी जरूरत है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, राइट, काम के सिलसिले में जो बात करते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट कम्स अंडर फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन. आई गिव यू फ्यू एग्जांपल्स आल्सो, राइट? दिस कम्युनिकेशन मे बी ओरल और रिटन, but generally recorded and filed in the office or organization. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Usually this communication happens that can be oral, right? बातों बातों में बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? और they can write it and give it to you, right? The rules and regulations, ये सब कुछ लिख के देते हैं. Maybe it can be in a computer format, but लिख के देते हैं वो लोग, right? That comes under written communication only. So ये लोग क्यों कर देते हैं? Why? Because so that they can maintain, right? They want to record everything and file and keep it, so that they have a proof saying that we have given all the guidelines to our subordinates, right? अगर आगे कुछ हो गया, if the people are, employees say that I was not knowing how to perform this task, then the superior will be having an file with him showing that this is what I have given to all the employees, right? वो record क्यों रखते हैं? So that they can keep all the things with them, right, safely. Okay. Next is formal communication. This can be further classified into two, that is vertical and horizontal. Okay. See, what happens in vertical is, give me a second. Okay, what happens in vertical is this is a flow of communication from uh, upward to downward, or downward to upward, right? Upward communication or downward communication. I'll give an example. What happens in upward communication is subordinates, communicating formally to the subordinates, the lower level people, they are communicating to the higher level people, the superiors. That is upward communication, right? यहाँ पे नीचे से लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Communicate कर रहे हैं. What can be the examples, guys? Like, any employee want to take a leave, ठीक है? He'll go to the subordinate and he'll go to the superior and put up a leave application saying that so and so did, I won't be available to come. For the best example is me. I'm a subordinate working under so many people like principal, vice principal, and HOD. So what I do if I want to leave, I go to principal, right? I go to HOD, sorry, vice principal, and take the leave format, get the approval from him, and fill all the details. Then go to HOD, get a signature, go to principal, finally take the permission of getting a leave, and then go and submit to the vice principal or the HOD, whoever is available, right? I need to take permission from all the three people if I have to take the leave, right? Organization में भी ये होता है. This is what the formal way of communicating from upward communication, जहाँ पे नीचे से मैं जा रही हूँ ऊपर तक to take a permission, right? Next comes the downward communication, right? The downward communication means here the superior is giving information, right, or communicating to his or her subordinates, right? यहाँ पे क्या होता है guys? If as a superior, if I'm a superior manager, right, मैं क्या बोलूँगी अगर मुझे कुछ नया task देना है, right, then I'll go to subordinates and say that this is a new task which you have to do it, right? Or if I want to pass some guidelines, थोड़े rules change हो गए company में, right, then I have to pass it on to my juniors or the subordinates, right? अगर top management में कुछ नया introduce किया है company में, right, and then I have to go and inform to my subordinates. Whatever related to job I'm explaining to my subordinates is the downward communication, right? I hope you people have understood what do you mean by vertical communication, right? And there are two types, that is upward and downward. Next comes the horizontal, or it is also called as the lateral communication, where this takes place between one division to another. For example, divisions here I mean departments, right? Divisions are nothing but departments. For example, production department going and talking to marketing department, like what will be the product design, what is the marketing strategy, right? तुम लोग product delivery कब देना चाहते हो, right? What is the quality you want to maintain? All this discussion what happens related to the job is called as horizontal or lateral communication, right? The marketing department also explain, see, the marketing is the one which will design the product, right, which will check the quality, क्या क्या कौन से क्वालिटी के प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोगों को बेचना है, right, कब डिलीवर करना है, everything will be planned by the marketing department. That will just go and explain to the production department, where production department will what they produce all the goods according to the marketing department. वो लोग जो criteria देते marketing department वाले, उनके हिसाब से these people will prepare actual product, right? So whatever the conversation formally happens between the two divisions or the department is called as horizontal or lateral communication, right? I hope you people are understanding, right? And this formal communication में बहुत सारे types हैं, right? You cannot say it is a vertical or horizontal, it's a mix of both, right? So first let's understand one by one. The first one is, okay, you have it in your next page. Okay, in this the first one is chain, right? It is also called as single chain. See, this network, it always exists between, guys तुम लोग message डाल रहे हो, do you have any doubts? Am I not clear? अभी आवाज आ रहा है? क्लियर नहीं है मेरा आवाज? ओ, अभी आ रहा है? अभी क्लियर है? ओके ओके, I'll just adjust little bit. अरे यार थोड़ा है इश्यू मेरा लैपटॉप, क्या करो, अभी कोई नहीं है फिक्स करने वाले, राइट? Let's see. I think I have a network issue, that's why. ठीक है? Okay. अगर कुछ ज्यादा नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है, please let me know, guys. Put up a text, okay? I'll see. Right? Single chain. What happens in a single chain network? Here, this usually exists between a superior and a subordinate. Since there are many levels that exist, तो क्या होता है organization structure में? Communication always flow from every superior to the subordinate through this single chain. यहाँ पे तुम लोग देख सकते हो जो circles है ना, ऊपर से नीचे जो आ रहा है ना, that is the topmost is a superior, next comes a subordinate, again his subordinate, again his subordinate. This is how the information flows, right? Because there are a lot many divisions, so this is one kind of formal way of communicating, that is from superior to the subordinate. This is the you can call it as a downward also, right? Downward is also called as single chain communication, right? Next is wheel, second one. Wheel network, see here all the subordinates under one superior have to communicate through him only, right? यहाँ पे ही बोले तो जो बीच में है ना प्लस मार्क के बीच में जो डॉट है, that is the he, right? उसके through only to this person all the four have to talk, right? Among themselves they are not allowed to talk. वो लोग अपने आप बात नहीं कर सकते formally. Any doubt if I have, think that there are 4 people in my team, I have any doubt, I need to go to this middle जो है ना डॉट वाला बंदा, उसको जाके पूछना है मुझे who is the superior to me, right? I cannot ask any of my colleagues, right? That's not allowed. That is what is we, right? Here subordinates are not allowed to talk among themselves. They have to just go to the superior and talk and ask any doubt they have to get clarified. That is what comes under wheel. Okay? Next is circular, right? It's not exactly the circular, guys. It's in a pentagon, right? Pentagon form mein hai, but they say it as a circular. See what happens here is in this network the communication moves in a circle and each person can communicate with the adjoining 2 persons. I hope you people know what do you mean by adjoining. जो topmost है ना, can you see the topmost? That person can talk to his right and to the left person, right? आगे वाले से बात नहीं कर सकते, right और left person से. जो मेरे राइट से है ना वो मेरे साथ बात कर सकता है, लाइक उसके लेफ्ट उसके राइट के साथ जो बैठा है उसके साथ बात कर सकता है. यू आर ओनली टॉकिंग टू योर राइट एंड टू द लेफ्ट पर्सन हूएवर सिटिंग बिसाइड यू. सिर्फ उनके साथ तुम लोग बात कर सकते हो व्हेन इट कम्स टू सर्कुलर, राइट? एडजॉइनिंग 2 persons, right? And this kind of communication is very very slow, guys. मैं इन दोनों से बोलूंगी, ये उन दोनों से बात करेगा, right? Till it goes to subordinate superior, it takes a lot of time. So usually the circular kind of is not there. No one will try to implement such a formal way of communication. Usually a chain रहता है, wheel रहता है. Circular, it's the rarest form, right? Not everyone will be comfortable talking to the right or to the left person only, right? ऐसा रहता है. But this is there, this do exist in the company, right? Circular. Next is, तुम लोगों को लग रहा होगा ना like is it really true, ऐसा exist होता है? It is there, guys. In a company definitely this happens. There will be few tasks assigned, वहां पे mentioned रहता है that you should have only circular form of communication, right? रहता है because many companies will be experimenting. वो देखते रहते हैं how people perform, right? How to increase productivity and all. That's why the circular form of communication is useful, right? Next is free flow, right? Free flow is the best form of communication according to me because you can randomly talk to anyone in this group, right? जो भी तुम्हारे ग्रुप के अंदर है किसी के साथ भी तुम लोग कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो freely. And this type of communication network is very very fast, guys, right? If I have any doubt, if I want to communicate anything, guys, I'm speaking everything in a formal way. I'm not chit-chatting with anyone here. जो भी formal communication मुझे कुछ देना है किसी को, I can go randomly and give it to everyone. That is what comes under free flow, right? अगर हम लोग 5 की टीम है जो मैं जाके किसी को भी बता दूंगी, that person will tell it to everyone. There is no particular rule that I have to tell it to this person only, to my left person only, or to the other person only. There is nothing like that. I can contact anyone. So this kind of communication is very very quick. बहुत quickly information जाएगा यहाँ से वहाँ. If there is suddenly because superior is very busy and suddenly there is some change in the task, वो मुझे बता के चले गए suddenly, ठीक है, urgent में, right? This free flow is very very useful. मैं जाके सबको फटाफट बता दूंगी, right? Think that if it is a circular, मैं मेरे राइट वाले को बताऊंगी, मैं मेरे लेफ्ट वाले को बताऊंगी, वो लोग टाइम निकाल के उनके राइट वाले उनके लेफ्ट वालों को बताएंगे. So it will take lot of time. So free flow becomes very easy when it comes to communicating any important matter very very easily, right? Next is inverted V, right? This inverted V, in this network the subordinate is allowed to communicate with his superior. Guys, can you see there are 2 dots down? ये दोनों subordinates है, ठीक है? ये दोनों subordinates तुम लोग जो ऊपर है ना बीच में, he is a superior, इससे बात कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो directly they can talk to the topmost person. Top में एक circle है ना, he is the superior's superior. ये जो तुम्हारे superior है ना उनके भी superior है, तुम लोग तुम्हारे superior से बात कर सकते हो, नहीं तो उनके superior को भी जाके बात कर सकते हो. That is what they mean, right? This kind of communication is there in many companies, right? But बाद में क्या होता है पता है? This can happen 1 or 2 times, but not always, right? The company I was working, guys, inverted V was there as a communication, right? If my manager isn't there, her manager, I used to go in contact with that person, right? This is inverted V. Superiors, I used to go in contact if my manager is not available, right? So this comes under formal communication, right? Every company have their own format, right? सब लोग अपने अपने हिसाब से, थोड़े लोगों को लगता है circular is the best for having a formal communication, but थोड़े लोगों को free flow is the best one. According to me, free flow is the best one because very quickly you can have a communication or conversation, which is very important. But guys, people might take it in a wrong way, right? वो लोग freely इतना छोड़ दिए तो वो लोग definitely they start chit chatting, which becomes informal communication, right? वो नहीं होना बोल के क्या करते हैं? They want to maintain very strict chain to have a communication, formal communication, right? Guys, these were the types. I hope you people have understood. Any doubt, let me know so that we can go to the next format, that is informal communication. Guys, these are very easy, okay? These topics, the last part of this. Why only prescribed communication takes place in inverted V? Prescribed communication means, guys, why? Because majorly few of the companies don't allow, right? They don't allow to talk to directly to the superiors. यहाँ पे क्या होता था पता है? It was the rarest cases. It was the rarest cases that I went to superior, right? Because वो लोग इतना busy रहते हैं, they have their own. वो लोग ना हमारे task के बारे में शायद इतना in detail depth knowledge नहीं हो सकता उनके पास, right? वो हम लोग कैसा exactly कर रहे हैं, what my managers know, they might not be knowing it, right? Suddenly I cannot go and disturb them. Especially the superior will be into the top management, right? वो लोग इतना busy रहते हैं framing up the policies, procedures, new tasks, new rules. So I cannot go and disturb them very often. इसके लिए बहुत prescribed, मतलब बहुत short time के लिए you'll be there when there is an emergency, when we do not have our superiors, then only I can go in contact. Not regularly. I was not strictly. I was warned saying that I should only contact my manager whenever she is not at all available to contact. Then I can go to the superior person, right? Wheel once again, ma'am. What's there in wheel? Oh my god. Give me a second. Okay. Nothing is there in wheel, right? Here, one, superior. Uh, it's like, they're not allowed to talk among themselves, right? Give me a second. See, is it? हाँ, यहाँ पे व्हील में दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को, ये ना एक दूसरे के साथ बात नहीं कर सकते, इसके लिए वो लोग ना तुम लोगों को लाइन भी नहीं दिया गया है. Can you see? All these 4 people will come and join in one particular center point only, right? एक दूसरे के साथ अगर बात कर सकते थे तो यहाँ पे लाइन आता था, चारों डॉट्स, चारों सर्कल के बीच पे एक लाइन आता था तुम लोगों को. If it is not there, that means they are not allowed to. यहाँ पे क्या है? If I have doubt, I need to go to superior. If person A is having doubt in a group, he has to go and communicate to the superior only. They cannot ask to me. It is not allowed to. It's a form of communication, guys. Many people wants to follow this because why they want to avoid this is we can have informal communication also. हो सकता है. सब छोड़ के हम लोग बात करते बैठे तो चिट चैट करते बैठे तो. So to avoid all these things, what they say, any doubts we have to go and talk to the superior only, the person who is sitting in middle. ठीक है? That is what is we. Okay, let's go to the informal, right? See, informal communication, the communication that takes place without following any or the formal lines of communication, right? There is no formal lines to go. ऐसे जाना, ऊपर से नीचे आना है, नीचे से ऊपर जाना है, राइट से बात करना है, लेफ्ट से बात करना है, नहीं तो सिर्फ सुपीरियर से बात करना है. There is nothing like that, right? There are no formal lines only. You can go and talk to any random person. यहाँ पे भी what types है that we need to understand, right? And this informal system of communication, it is also called as grapevine, right? उसको grapevine बोलते हैं. Why? Because it spreads throughout the. I hope तुम लोग देखे होंगे grape का tree, that it's not called as tree, it's a creeper. कैसा grow होता है, right? so it just spreads everywhere wherever it's possible. जो भी उसको जगह मिलता है वहाँ पे grow होना चालू होता है, right? In the same way, this also informal communication, it just spreads throughout an organization with its branches and in all the direction, right? See, this utter disregard, that means it will not even see which level. यहाँ पे क्या होता है पता है? If I want to have an informal communication, right? I can go to even top management and talk to them if they are really free, right? If they are really free, वो लोग बहुत chill है, cool है with the all their subordinates. Definitely they can. I can go and have chit chat with them. Informal means यही है, chit chat, gossip करना, चुप time pass बात करना. That is what is informal communication. कैसे हो कैसे नहीं हो, खाना पीना हो गया, right? That is what asking all these things is informal communication in organization, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, it will spread, this information spread throughout an organization in all its branches and in all the direction with disregard to the levels of authority. I will not even see that he is a superior or anything. I can just go and talk to them, right? Guys, this is there, right? In many organizations this is allowed, especially guys, you can see Tatas, right? There are these Tata companies very free with the employees, right? Guys, even in a formal way, even in an informal way, अगर तुम लोगों को कोई भी problem हो, right? Informally, if you want to go and talk, you can go to any random authority and talk to them. They'll definitely listen to, because it's an employee oriented company. There are few companies who are commercial oriented companies, employee oriented companies, customers oriented companies, right? बहुत सारे ऐसे divisions रहते हैं, right? Tatas are specially employee oriented companies, right? Any problem, any wrong thing happening in an organization, you can directly go to the superiors and have an informal communication, right? And informal communication arises out of needs of an employee to exchange views, which cannot be done through formal channel. I think this channel is missed, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है informal communication? Why this arises informal communication? जब employees को मुझे कुछ exchange करना है view points, right? I might say I don't like the superior. किसको बोलना है? If I don't like my superior, I have to tell it to one of my peer group. Peer group जो भी मेरे साथ काम करे उनको मैं share करना है. Then this becomes informal communication, right? This is what is about informal communication, and that's it. And guys, what happens, informal communication में क्या हो सकता है पता है? तुम लोगों को ना कहाँ पे, see, especially when it comes to rumors, right? This is the best example for an organization. Organization में ना बहुत सारे rumors रहते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों के बारे में नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव सब बोलते रहते लोग, राइट? वंस यू एंटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ना, सब लोग आके बताते हैं इंसान ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, ही इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, ही इज वेरी चिल, राइट? मेक श्योर यू डोंट टॉक टू दैट पर्सन, ही इज वेरी गरम रहता है उसका दिमाग कभी भी. ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल बी हैपनिंग गाइस. दीज आर ऑल इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन ओनली, राइट? यू आस्क, यू डोंट आस्क, पीपल विल टेल यू. दिस व्हाट हैपेंस, all these rumors about any one person will spread very very easily. बहुत easily spread होता है, right? There'll be no time to even get to know कि ये कहाँ से पैदा, किसने start किया ये rumor. You will not even get to know all these things, right? बता ही नहीं सकते किसने start किया about any message or any information. It becomes very difficult when it comes to informal communication, right? It happens now, and that's it. Okay, let's understand the types. इसके अंदर क्या है? इनफॉर्मल वे में 4 है, राइट? वी हैव 4, दैट इज सिंगल स्ट्रैंड नेटवर्क, गॉसिप नेटवर्क, एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी नेटवर्क एंड क्लस्टर नेटवर्क, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वन इज single strand network. Guys, what happens is, here each person, they communicate to one another in a sequence, right? Each person, right? The first person is going to communicate to the last person, last second person, last third person, last fourth person, to the next person, or the second person is going to talk to everyone. Like this person is going to, in a vertical way only, right? Horizontal way में नहीं जाते, सिर्फ vertical way में सब लोगों के साथ बात करते हैं, one after the other, right? From the lowest to the topmost. That means the top management can directly come and talk, have an informal communication to lower, right? हो सकते हैं ना? In many companies, like middle level पे जो भी employees काम करते हैं, they'll be in very good terms or will can be in have good friendship with the top management. रहता है, ठीक है. Company office के बाहर they might be very good friends. Think that me and my friends we go for an same interview. मेरे friend ने top management में select हो गया, right? ठीक है. Top management में the first cadre में select हो गया because he or she is having like 10-15 years of experience and he is excellent, right? I might join as a fresher, right? Just because we are friends, we can talk informally, right? Office से बाहर हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं. We can have this informal communication. That person may be in top management. He or she can come and talk to me. Maybe I'm in a middle level management, right? This can happen in a single stand network. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, किसी के साथ भी कोई भी आके बात कर सकता है. Even to the lowest labors also you can go and talk if they are friends. ठीक है? You can make friends of it. This is what happens in informal, right? किसी के साथ भी तुम लोग जाके बात कर सकते हो in a vertical format only, not haphazardly, not horizontal, only vertical format, right? Next is gossip network, right? This informal communication is also called as gossip, right? यहाँ पे gossip rumors बहुत easily spread होता है when it comes to informal communication, right? This gossip network here, each person communicates with all or non-selective basis, right? यहाँ पे क्या होता है, this person can go and talk to any random person, right? Anyone. ये नहीं दिखता है कि ये दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट का है, वो तीसरे डिपार्टमेंट का है, कुछ और फ्लोर का है. आई डोंट इवन नो, नो नथिंग लाइक दैट. गॉसिप कैसा है, अगर मुझे कुछ पता है किसी के बारे में, आई जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू एनीवन एंड से, राइट? अगर मुझे पता है ऊपर ऊपर के फ्लोर में किसी एक को बता दिया तो सबको पता चलेगा, आई गो एंड टॉक टू दैट पर्सन, राइट? दिस यूजुअली हैपेंस इन अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गाइस, राइट? दैट इज गॉसिप नेटवर्क. हियर दे विल नॉट बाइफरकेट कि ये दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट के, कुछ और डिपार्टमेंट के. They just go and communicate information whatever they know, right? So usually all the rumors spread in this gossip network only, right? Next is probability network. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, an individual communicates randomly with the other individual, right? यहाँ पे ना gossip में क्या होता है, I know someone in the the first floor or the second floor working section. मैं किसी को जानती हूँ, जाके बता दिया, right? नहीं तो मैं जिसको जानती हूँ उसके फ्रेंड को बता दिया, ऐसा हो सकता है. बट प्रोबेबिलिटी में क्या होता है, आई डोंट नो द पर्सन आल्सो, रैंडमली, राइट? कोई है मैं जानती भी नहीं हूँ दैट ही और शी इज वर्किंग इन अ कंपनी और नॉट, सो रैंडमली आई गो एंड जस्ट कम्युनिकेट them anything, any formal information, right? Guys, what happens, the example for probability is suddenly when someone comes, right, कोई और डिपार्टमेंट के हैं, if they can, hi, how are you, right? This gesture, I can just talk to them, they'll be like fine, I'm good, and they'll move and I'll go. That's it. This normal communication is also an informal, guys, right? ये probability है. शायद मैं नहीं जानती हूँ उनको कौन है, but इतना तो पता रहता है अगर कंपनी में घूम रहे तो he is working in the company, he or she is working in a company. So I just go and talk to her, saying that how are you, and we'll just exchange few words and we'll move, right? But gossip में क्या होता है, especially the rumors. If you want to spread something, if I know someone in another department, I'll just go and talk. If I don't know also, I'll just go. I want to go and give the information to others, right? Last one is cluster, right? Guys, what happens in cluster is here individual want to communicate to only the person whom they trust, right? यहाँ पे क्या होता है, can you see this network? यहाँ पे ना ये जो lines जिसको connect हुआ है, these are the trust points, right? Trust people, only trusted people. ये तीन ही है, और तीन the person won't trust. तो ये क्या करता है, सिर्फ जो ट्रस्टेड है उनके साथ जाके बात करता है और करती है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, if I want to see, there will be few people जिनको लगता है अरे यार किसी के बारे में rumor spread करना is not good, right? So at that time what they do, they only go and talk to the people whom they trust ki they don't tell it to anyone, only to such people they go and give information, or else they don't talk to any random person. बहुत सारे ऐसे कंपनी में रहते हैं guys, they don't even exchange a smile, not even a hi, not even a good morning wish. Guys, these are there in a company. If you find anyone, right, if you're just moving, if you find anyone, you need to greet them with good morning or good afternoon. No need to mention as a sir or madam, but ये बोलना जरूरी रहता है. It comes in a communication part, gestures, right? You need to give greetings to people, right? तब क्या होता है, in cluster the person may not, right? उनको कुछ भी, they don't want to exchange any kind of communication with the person whom he or she do not trust, right? तो but probability में क्या होता है, you might go and talk to any random person, but You can just exchange very little information. That's what happens in informal communication, guys, right? So this is done with today's topic. We are left out with 5 minutes. So guys, if you have any doubt, let me know. I'll try to explain once again, or else we can meet tomorrow. And I'll go with the last part of this chapter, last second part. We have something called as barriers, and we have something improving communication effectiveness. Even that topic, that's the last topic of this chapter. So maybe I might take some 3 days. By this weekend, we will finish off this chapter. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Let me know. Any doubts? No doubt, no doubt. Third point once again. Vaishali, informal third point. Formal or informal? Okay, informal. Okay. What's informal? Third point, probability. Probability means you're talking to any random person here, right? See, suddenly, मेरे manager ने बता दिया that I have to go and go to the first floor and talk to so and so person about some task. ठीक है? तो मैं जाऊंगी वहां पे, मैं क्या कर रही टास्क के बारे में तो बता दिया. He's a random person. I don't know. But informally, what happens? I'm greeting that person. Good morning, good afternoon. How are you? Did you had your lunch? Tea, coffee? Right? This is what is probability network. क्या होता है? Randomly, I'm just talking to that person in an informal way, maybe for few minutes. That is what is probability network. Gossip network ऐसा नहीं रहता है. I might talk to any random person also, but यहाँ पे क्या रहता है? बहुत सारी information देती हूँ about anything happening in an organization or about any person. Especially the rumors, guys. That is what is gossip network. Especially the rumors. If I want to spread, if anyone wants to give it to anyone, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Gossip network के through they just go and tell it to everyone and anyone. They're not seeing कि इसको ही बताना है, इसको ही बताना है. No. They'll just communicate to any random person there. That is what probability and gossip network. Fourth, Ganesh, cluster. Here what happens? Cluster means the one whom I trust, right? Cluster network में क्या होता है? Can you see this picture? Last वाला, जहाँ पे क्या है? Only there are 3 circles to whom these lines are drawn. That means only these 3 people I trust. Only to these 3 people I go and talk, right? ये जो 3 और अलग है, इनको मैं बात ही नहीं करूंगी because I don't trust those people. If I want to tell any informal also, informal communication करना है, I'll just do it to only the trusted people, not the one whom I don't trust, right? That is what is cluster. Guys, understand informal communication can be anything. I just gave an example of खाना खाए नहीं खाए, all these things, right? उससे ज्यादा तुम लोग चिट चैट भी कर सकते हो बैठ के, right? All these things can happen in informal communication. राइट मैं जिसको ट्रस्ट नहीं करती हूँ, जिसको मैं जानती नहीं कंपनी में, आई माइट नॉट गो एंड टॉक टू देम, सिट एंड चिट चैट फॉर एन आवर. नहीं हो सकता है ना. दैट इज व्हाट इज क्लस्टर, राइट? जिसको मैं ट्रस्ट करती हूँ, जिसको मैं अच्छे से जानती हूँ, आई गो एंड टॉक टू ओनली दोस पीपल. Oh, is it Umashri? CR. Okay, okay, Umashri. I hope you have understood. Okay. 2 minutes more. Do you have any doubts, guys? No doubts. Okay. Okay. All clear. Right. Okay. So tomorrow, let's understand. I'll try to complete 2 barriers because there are many points under it, guys. So I'll try to cover. If not, at least one by one daily, we'll complete 4 types of barriers that we have when it comes to communication. Right? When we are having communication, hurdles तो रहेंगे ना, तो उसको जानेंगे हम लोग कल क्या क्या hurdles हो सकता है when we try to communicate formally and informally, both the ways. Right? Okay. Okay. Chalo. Thank you everyone. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you all.